our goal for this next chapter is to add and subtract decimals. So again, we've taken notes on the steps involved. So the first one, I'm going to have 14 and 7/10. I'm going to add to that 87 and 9/10. You notice how I lined up my decimals and I filled the ones in the same spot, the tens in the same spot, and the tenths in the same spot. So it's very important that we keep these decimals lined up. And then we add. So 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 8 is 10. And the last step then is to just bring down the decimal. So 14 and 7/10 plus 87 and 9/10 is 102 and 6/10. So number 2. I have 66 and 5/10. And this time I'm going to subtract or find the difference. 24 and 1/10. Again, I wrote it in a way where I had to line up the decimals. And then I subtract. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And my last step is to bring down the decimal. So 66 and 5/10 minus 24 and 1/10 is 42 and 4/10. That was the last one. This is the last one I'm going to do today, number 3. 52 and 1/10. And I'm going to subtract 31 and 47/100. Now, I lined up my decimal. You see how I didn't move this one all the way to the right? Because it's very important I need to keep these decimals lined up. And then I find any empty spots and I just add a 0. So 0 minus 7, I have to borrow a 10 from this one, which changes that to a 10. This is also going to be a 10. That borrows a 1 or a 10 from the 2, so that changes to a 1. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then the last step, bring down the decimal. So my final answer is 20 and 63/100.